What's happening, guys? So we're back. It's been a little bit since I fertilized. It actually has been almost a month. Lots been going on. We got behind, but it's no biggie. It ended up kind of helping us. So today we're gonna be cleaning up that garden. Like I said, the last thing we did was feed. We've been, keeping up with the normal watering cycle, so everything's pretty much okay. There was a moment that the water went out during the midday, so we lost a couple plants, but it's no biggie because we got a bunch of plants we're going to be putting in today. Predominantly corn, okra. I also have some blue corn and I think it's like blue or purple okra. We're going to be trying that out. We also have some of our tobaccos here. Let's see if we can get this. Boom, yeah, we got some ornamental tobacco. And that sticker is no longer good, so I don't know exactly what breed. Ornamental tobacco, though, is going to help keep, different types of like mites and stuff out. I would like to put one at the corners of the garden, see how it does this year. So far, it's been going pretty well. The chickens have been getting bigger, and I actually released them. They're not actually going after the crops. I'm monitoring them, so we don't really have to worry about it too terribly much. But as I dig up any pests and different types of insects that they find, they're going to end up eating up most of that. We haven't really had time to run our chicken tractor as we've been using it as a little hatchery. One of our birds, you can't even hardly see her, it's in there. So like I said, we've been really busy. We got sick there for a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and catch up on this. We may also be adding a mulch layer. Another one of my gardening buddies is coming out. So we're gonna be working on it together, and we may post another update. So stay tuned. We also learned that on our chicken automated feeders, by the way, guys, we originally, if y'all remember that last video I did, we had one that was separate. So we only put laying feed in one and we put chicken scratch in the other. That worked for a while, but with the little baby chicks that we put in, as they've been growing out, there's been a little bit more fighting just because of the flock size. So to keep fighting down and to keep them from getting stuck eating just one thing, we started mixing their feed, and boom, we started getting a lot of eggs again. So I think during the summertime when it's really hot and they're just starting to get really picky about whose water is who or whose feeder is who, mixing the feed is gonna do us best in this case. I don't know, see if we can see the little ones. Yep, the little one, they're just cleaning up this fence line. They're predominantly going for the grass, the Johnson grass. So like I said, they had gotten out because we haven't had a chance to clip their wings. And so we just kind of opened up the gate, and they've mostly just been tilling in this grass, like you can see right here. Our garden bed's going to be most predominantly here, and we have another one there, and they're all interested in that grass. So like I said, pretty excited, pretty amped up for today. We're going to be getting a lot done, and like I said, we'll check in with you guys again, but that's what we've learned so far. Peace. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.